My beautiful people, I hope you're doing amazing. Today, I just wanted to bless you with so much love, luck, abundance, money, prosperity. I wanted to call upon the highest forces of this universe. Let me tell you that you're going to feel it. This is my blessing from the deep bottom of my heart space. I feel you. I know where you are. Believe me. And I'm praying for this video to find you exactly when you need to receive this amount of love that I'm going to send. I'm going to connect to the fire horse as we're entering the most powerful time of your incarnation, where everything is going to become crystal clear and hearing. And 111, your soul has been craving this moment for a very long time. The blessing is here. Let me bring it closer to you for all your work that you've been doing. Alright, Ikiti, ini dede tukuduk preparing your system. Please lay down if you can. Not being disturbed, please. Plenty of water. Are iyo onto wa ara iya ka niziri iyo ta uru ununu weitiri ya tara andra a. Ania kia se umatara iya. Anatete iyo toro waya receive ka mi ata uru ununu we ira iya sera u kodoro kuma sera iya sera uma ata a tara a receive anio o zara u kumru ute iya ono ana iya sera iya oto unu una a ira ana a. Are ina etc. Ikadera umosoro. May you be blessed with so much abundance. Karena kutero uatra at this exact time. Ara eka ana eta uduru ununu tukuru ubara ane ikiri iya sara uma diki er anu kuturu kuma atra. Iyeka ata are I onununutu iya ukutu unu oro utoto unana a ukuru unununu tutu una a ukutu tutu unana utoto ununu wa a ikere iya tata tutu unana Tieke uno to ua. Receive the golden light. Receive what your hearts desire now. Creating a tunnel of light, a spiral, a portal now. For you to receive. Five, 555 on the screen. It's going to change your life. It's a new dawn. It's definitively a new day. You're going to feel it deep in your bones. And if you want to dig deeper, please check my website. You want to treat yourself, invest in yourself. I'm hearing goldenize yourself, because this is the kind of code download and activation I hold from Atlantis. From the source surukutu uma atae kiriyasha atakara before the distortion. Tikini atsara utututu, back to purity, back to order, back to light, back to the universe. Back to order. Back to unity. Very, 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 very powerful way to start. And that's the truth. Welcome. I think it's on the 17th, but I already feel the shift. And I'm praying for you to feel the shift. Entering the fire orbs means it's a dreamland that is opening. The doors of your dreams are finally opens, because you've been working for a very long time. Everything is going to be accelerated. It's just going to come to fruition. Remembering, because I'm talking to someone that now remember. You remember who you are. And if it's not the case, again, check my website, because that's my gift. I'm allowing you to tap into remembrance. Remember your power, your gifts, your talents, your abilities. Oh, beautiful. I have the Tao of flow and the soul, and I cannot make this up. You see all of this light? This is you entering the soul, entering the portal. The 17th, and I have my throat that is itchy. You're going to start speaking the truth that you've been holding, because your soul now remember, and you're going to align exactly like a cat knows what he wants or doesn't want. You're going to embody this cat energy and step into your destiny, because you're here to mark history. Your soul has immense power. You're here, you carry so much light, and you're meant to share this light with the world. Now take your throne, jump into the portal, and let's connect, because I'm already there, and I'm here to inspire you to do the same. I love you. I hope you receive this blessing with the highest light, love, and truth. And until next time.